How far are you willing to go to get some free bird feeders and bird seed? If you're an experienced backyard bird watcher and willing to count the birds at your feeder for 45 minutes every day, then Project Wild Bird will send you a whole load of good bird feeding equipment to participate in their groundbreaking research on seed and feeder preference in backyard birds. Not all birds should be attracted to your home, really. The blue heron cousin to this bird would have no qualms whatsoever in eating your beautiful, expensive koi. Let's face it, not everyone likes birds. Some people enjoy spiders. I don't, because I think all spiders are poisonous and I avoid them all. Birds, on the other hand, are beautiful even when they're doing nothing but staring at you, wondering, what are you doing? Some wild birds, I think, are best enjoyed in the wild. But back to Project Wild Bird. If you can't commit to that level of bird observation, there are other ways to participate, but you'll have to provide your own feeders and your own seed.